Hi, in this video we are going to learn about how to install Ansible in Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 7.2, and the RHEL will be there in AWS EC2 instance, which is nothing but Elastic Compute Cloud. And I'm going to do that, creating that new instance, connecting with SSH, do that YM update, downloading that EPL repository, installing the Ansible, and then that's done. So my first activity will log into that AWS and go to that EC2 instance and run that new Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 7.2, and so I'm going to do this step now. I have already logged in into AWS environment. Going to create a Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.2. Select. I'm going to use the free. Then next. Subnet. I'm not going to change anything. Next. No volume configurations. I'm going to choose that existing, which will be allowed to connect by port SSH connectivity with a port 22 with all source, review and launch. I'm going to use that my existing key. Launch the instance. Instance is running. It's still in pending status. So the step 1 is done. Instance is going to be up. Now after that I'll go and connect with SSH. Yeah, instance is running now. I'll go and connect it. So for doing the connections, I have already installed that Git base, and I have configured that 2 steps, which I'll let you later. I have just copied that current running instance. I'm going to connect that SSH environment by SSH. Yeah. Now I have already logged into that EC2 instance. My further actions will be YUM update. I'm sorry, at the moment I have connected with the EC2 user, so it's not alarming. I'm going to connect with a sudo. It will take a while. After that I'm going to do that downloading that EPL release 4, 7 and 8, and then I'll do that create RPM and then installing that Ansible. Region wise, by default whatever RHEL is there which will not contains that Ansible repository, and we'll get that error message. I'll show you that error message why we are doing this step, because this is not required, but without this we cannot do that at the moment, whatever we have as a default. So it's still updating that other library whatever is required or component. It will take another 1 or 2 minutes max. Because if you will not update YUM update, so many like independent library will be not available again, we have to do that. So in default whatever RHEL is there is that library is not installed, so first time you have to do this. Taking bit more time. Now almost done. See, clean up a step status activity is going on. Out of 70 170 to 170. Done. So YUM update is done. Now I'm going to do the download that's EPL repository. Before that I have to install that. Because by default wget will be not there. Okay. then I'm going to download that APL repository, and then RPM okay, and then it's completed. Yeah, so just by that we got that install it. What happen if you will not do that this activity, will get that error message. So I'm going to launch another instance and we'll see. This one's got successfully while following that these are the steps, and even though we printed that Ansible versions. Now I'm going to show that in error scenario. It's running, and this is that a new one which is going to be initialized. I'm exiting from this instance. Yeah. I'm connecting with the new one. Switching to the root user. Yeah, so due to this error only I follow that additional step, which is YUM update and highlighted one, rhui and OS update according to that respective versions. So hopefully you enjoy with while going through this video. Please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day ahead.